Update everybody on the trade that we took on natural gas. This is a trend reversal trading system that I'm using here. It's called TrendCloud. And what this is built for is actually taking trades for trend following and trend reversals. That is specifically what this is built for. Let's go over it. You can watch the previous video when we first entered the trade, but let's take a look at this from top down. Okay, starting with the 4-hour chart. Take a look here. There are 5 waves in an average trend. Once you start hitting that 6th and 7th wave, you are now extremely extended and you can start looking for trend reversal signals. I go over all of that in the masterclass. If you want, just click here onto my profile and you'll see a little link here that you can click onto, and I will send you the trade plan for using this right now. And here's the trend reversal setup right here on my profile for the natural gas long move right there. This is the very first video. Okay, so just click onto here and you will get the trade plan that I put together for this year, specifically for trend following and trend reversals, exactly like this. Okay, so it keeps hitting around $1,000, but let's continue with the lesson here. So you've got an extended trend here to the downside, and you can see TrendCloud is turning your candles ice blue. Once you hit that average wave, 5, 6, and then 7, it will turn the candles ice blue, and you can start looking at your cycle indicator and your momentum filter for clues that this thing is going to reverse. So this is just the first piece of the trade plan, or piece of the puzzle, so to speak. You've got to stack the information on top of each other in order to take the trade, and that's what a trade plan is, right? It's not just one thing. It's not just one observation. It is a series of observations that take place over and over and over again. And that is how you put together an objective trade plan. So extended trend into the 7th wave, starting to cycle up, and take a look at our momentum filter. You're getting bullish divergence all the way as price heads down. Look at your bullish divergence. Look at the momentum going up, up, up when price is going down, down, down. Okay, that's called bullish divergence. And it's also extended. So this thing is about to reverse at any time now. When we were looking at it right here, we're saying, okay, this thing is getting ready to really make a move. We better get in on this now. So we really caught the bottom of this. Go over to the 1-hour chart now. The 1-hour chart, okay, when we were in this area here, you can see the 1-hour trend was still down. And what I want you to do is focus on the CCI indicator. Okay, this is a custom built CCI indicator. I will give you that as well if you want the TrendCloud system. I will grant you access to that as well. So as we are here, okay, on the 1-hour chart, we are looking at this and we're saying, okay, 4-hour chart is extended, bullish divergence. This thing is getting ready to move up. Here's another sign that this thing was going to reverse. CCI indicator broke above positive 100. That's the green line right here. Then it broke above positive 200 right here. Right here, this plus sign is the 1-hour TrendCloud crossover. So now we have a crossover to the upside on the 1-hour chart. Drop down to that 15-minute chart and look at all this consolidation. All of this consolidation right in here taking place, okay? And what did we see? We were ignoring all of the down signals, right? And we were paying attention to the TrendCloud momentum signals, these up arrows, okay? Ignoring the down arrows and watching for those watching for those up arrows. And what did we see? Up arrow right here, up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. So as we're looking at this, we start to say to ourselves, okay, well, when is this going to break structure? Well, right here, we broke structure, right? We broke out of this consolidation right here today around 6:30 a.m. and then pulled back, and all throughout the morning, right? All throughout the morning and afternoon, it kind of hovered around here. And I said, that's it, good enough for me. I'm taking this. I'm taking this trade, and I believe I took it um, right around this signal right here. I took the pullback onto this signal. A lot of times, what you'll see is a trend cloud signal and then a retest of that area, right? So what it did was you've got all these signals, and what did it do? Okay, I'll make that another color. All right. It pulled back. It pulled back and retested the candle that made these trend cloud signals. Very easy to spot. Very easy to spot. That's why I love trend cloud, because it color coordinates my charts. It lets me know exactly where I am on the map. And it's just a pleasure to work with. It works flawlessly on the TradingView platform. I use TradingView, and I also use NinjaTrader, but this is all I use, and it's extremely effective. This is the last 2 weeks of trades. Okay, let me open this up and show you the last 2 weeks of trades. Okay, so you can see that the losers are very small and the winners are big. Big winners, small losers, right? And it's this back and forth win loss, win loss. And right now, that last trade, we took the trend reversal and we're up over $1,000. Okay, so over the past 2 weeks, we are doing great, right? We are doing great. So we made a little over $3,000 in the last 2 weeks. Here's the very first trade, and there you go. So big winners, little losers. That's how you need to work your trade plan, right? That's what it's all about. Keep the winners big and the losers small. So I love trading these trend reversal trades. I find that I get the most bang for my buck out of those trades. That's what I chose to focus on. If you would like me to show you how to focus on trend reversal trades, my name's Chris Juliano. Just go to my profile and sign up for my free mini course right here. And I'll also send you the trade plan. And I will show you what I do to take trend reversal trades and trend following trades. Thanks, guys. I will see you in the next video.